Okay everyone, so for the first activity we're going to be doing today, we're going to be teaching our dogs to go around an item. Okay, so you can pretty much use anything you've got in your house, in your garden, and basically the idea about this is send your dogs around in a left or right direction so they can go around an item basically. The method I'm going to be using today is what we call luring, so pretty much the same as what was shown in the leg wheeze exercise, but there are many other ways that you can teach it. So basically it's a really good exercise to go through with your dogs. Again, it's relationship building, it's quite fun. You can end up putting the sorry, my camera's falling. You can end up putting the behaviour on cue, so your dog's able to listen to what you're asking them rather than following your hand. So I'm just going to go through the steps with you now. So I'm just using a little mini bin. So I've got Marley. So Marley's going to start off on my right hand side and he's going to be beside me. So Marley. Okay, so I'm going to take my right foot forward, my right hand, and just going to get him to follow, yes, the tree. Okay, so we're going to get him on the right again. Yes, clever boy, well done. Okay, and again. Yes, clever boy, well done. Right foot forward. Yes. Clever boy. So I'm marking the behaviour with a yes as he gets to the other side of the item. Okay. Yes. Okay. So then, after a few repetitions of doing it like this, you can then start to fade out the actual food lure in your hand and just use your hand instead. So, yes, go. If they do get a little bit sticky like Marley's just done, then just go back to using the food lure. Yes, clever boy. Yes, good. Okay, and you can do the opposite direction as well. So we're going to do it on the left. Yes, perfect. Good boy. So back on the left again. Yes, good boy. Okay, so basically you just keep practicing like that. I'm just going to send him over here to find some treats in the grass. So you keep practicing like that for some time, to the point where you can get them going in the left or right direction with just your hand signal. And then it's really good because you can end up adding in more distractions. So you can have other dogs in the garden whilst you're doing it. You can do it in more public areas. So if you've got a field that you can go to and take your dogs to, you can do it there. You can also start increasing distance that you're away from the item, mix up the item as well. So don't just always use the same object to send them around, because the idea is you want to be able to use any object that you can find. I find going into the park and using trees is a really good way to do it, or even lampposts. So then with the distance, you can end up standing quite far away from the item that you're sending your dogs around, and they basically build up to the point where they send around any item.